Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health coach. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits, and cooking at home is a step in the right direction. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make any salad dressing creamier and lighter by using the 3-to-1 ratio for making most salad dressings. If you're curious about those recipes, click on the link above or in the description below, and make sure to watch all the way to the end for tips and health benefits. Andiamo, which is let's go in Italian. What you're gonna need is a small bowl, a spatula, a whisk, and measuring spoons. So we have 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dried herbs, so that's 1 teaspoon apiece, basil, oregano, and thyme. I'm using thyme instead of parsley because it has a little bit more flavor. And a 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. If you're curious about mincing it in bulk, check out my video link above and in the description below. And we have a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and I put in a teaspoon of water as well. And the teaspoon of water is going to change depending on the brand of yogurt you use. Okay, so just to thin that up, and we're going to use our whisk to whisk it up for 10 seconds. The ratio for herby salad dressings is 3-1-1. So that is 3 parts olive oil, 1 part acid, and 1 part dried herb. Now to make this on the creamier and lighter side, we're going to add 1 part Greek yogurt, 0% fat, making the ratio for creamy herby salad dressings 3-1-1-1. Keep whisking if it's not well combined until it is. And voila! This is your delicious creamy Italian vinaigrette. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below or connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. For a simple side salad, all you need is 2 cups worth of mixed greens and about a tablespoon of this delicious creamy Italian vinaigrette. Before I go in for the taste test, I want to let y'all know that we saved 85 calories and 10 grams of fat by using Greek yogurt instead of traditional mayo. All right, so this looks super creamy, I'm not gonna lie. And let's go in. Tastes creamy. And tastes like Italian vinaigrette. This is such a success. Definitely give it a try. A little more about the health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil helps manage cholesterol. White wine can help lower spike in blood sugar. Garlic helps strengthen the immune system. Dried herbs like oregano, basil, and thyme have anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties. This delicious creamy Italian vinaigrette is a great foundation to make other creamy dressings. It has the texture that you're looking for with less guilt. Okay, and bonus tip, you can use this as a topping for steamed vegetables or just stir it into some whole grains to boost the nutrition in your meals. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. And if you have, thank y'all so much. This concludes the series on simple salad dressings. But in 2022, we'll pick it back up with exploring some vegetables and whole grains so we can eat more veggies for our body and our planet. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.